Dear friends, myself Zebunisa Malik, in charge principal, Sabu Siddiq Polytechnic. I am one of the participants of this FDP, online FDP. So it was a great learning, and I feel this online mode is more working as compared to actual FDP. So in week 1, effective teaching learning practices are there. So in week 1, I have gained the following in first week. So in first week, I learned what are the challenges of 21st century education. Then how Bloom's taxonomy is used to describe the domain of the learner. Then the learner can be used different learning styles. Then active learning and passive learning. Different software like video clips, podcasting, discussion, activities. How to do the discussion in group discussion for the students. And how this active learning is very important for the student. Now in this, so I have utilized my knowledge gained in the first week of this FDP. So I have created my own presentation using visual presentation. I have uploaded my presentation to Google Drive, and then I shared the link using link sharing on, and anyone with the link can view. Now the third part is the screenshot what I have created. So this is my screenshot. After week 1, the week 2, in week 2 is a creation of online resources. So in week 2, I have gained the following in week 2. I learned in week 2 WordPress, how to create WordPress. Then I have created my own website. Then I have used the VideoScribe software. Then learning experience interactions. Then I created learning resources for online teaching using LBD methods. So in week 2 implemented the online software for creation of my own content. Then I have utilized my knowledge gain in the second week of FDP as follows. Created a presentation of my own topic with my name along with my name. Created 4 learning outcome in the second slide. Then reflection spot I have created. Then I uploaded my video on YouTube channel and WordPress, and then I share the link. Then these are my screenshots what I did in the second week. So second week I created the reflection spot, and my learning outcome is there using Bloom's taxonomy. So this is there. Now in week 3, so week 3 is Moodle as a learning management system. So how to create your learning management system using Moodle. So in this week I have gained the following. Now I have created my own Gnomio account, and then I have created my course, and I have added my learning material, resources like file, folder, page and URL. Then I have add quiz, drag and drop text, drag and drop markers. Then I have completed certification and progress bar, then batches, then Google Forms, then learn Google Classroom, and learn quiz with restrictions and activity. So in third week I learned all these things, and then I have utilized my knowledge in the third week of FDP as follows. I have created my own Gnomio site, and then I have written one course for this my site. Then I did the email based self registration. Then I added the PDF file, video file, quiz, and then here course completion status bar and progress bar. Then created the awards, batches and certificate. So like this I have learned the complete Moodle. And these are the screenshots for my third week. So this is my third week. I have created my own this. All these are already uploaded into the site. So in the fourth week, the last week, we did digital and advanced pedagogy. So in this, I have gained the following in fourth week. Learn how to create e-learning resources, free software tools which are available like Kahoot, Clickers, Mentimeters for digital response systems. And I have learned Zoom, then Kahoot to conduct online quiz, then learn to create and use online platform for discussion quizzes or conducting webinar. Created and implemented modern pedagogical techniques in classroom or online teaching learning. Then I utilize my knowledge like this. I designed the quiz for student using Kahoot online software, as Kahoot uses the projector, but in lockdown situation we don't have projector, so I uses my Zoom app just to see the question in the Zoom app, and at the same time your student will use Kahoot software to give the responses. So this is also successfully done, and created the feedback system for student using Mentimeter software, and this feedback, uploaded the feedback on the Google Drive also. So these are the screenshots of last screenshot. These are all screenshot created the Kahoot quiz, then quiz conduction using Zoom app, and then this is my Mentimeter, how Mentimeter is used. So this is all about my 4 weeks of experience. I learned a lot. Thanks a lot for all the team. Thanks a lot to MSBT for conducting such a nice FDP, and thank you very much all.